Good morning, students. Welcome to the new session. As you know, due to COVID-19 pandemic, it is not possible for us to pursue our regular classes at college campus. That's why from today we are going to start our online classes. For this purpose, our first topic is sonnet. Sonnet is a literary term. The word sonnet is derived from the Italian word sonetto, which means a little song or a small lyric. In poetry, sonnet is a poem of 14 lines written in iambic pentameter with fixed rhyme scheme. The main features of sonnet: first one, sonnet is a type of poem. Sonnet एक प्रकार की poem है. Second, poem has fixed number of lines and that is 14. Third thing, these lines are written in iambic pentameter. ये जो लाइन्स है एक स्पेसिफिक टाइप के मीटर में लिखी होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड आयम्बिक पेंटामीटर. एंड इन आयम्बिक पेंटामीटर देयर आर 10 syllables इन वन लाइन. एंड लास्ट, द सोनेट हैज़ फिक्स राइम स्कीम. सोनेट की राइम स्कीम जो है वो फिक्स होती है. नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ सोनेट. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ राइम स्कीम, सोनेट इज मेनली डिवाइडेड इंटू टू टाइप्स. फर्स्ट वन, इटालियन और पेट्रार्कन सोनेट. सेकेंड इज इंग्लिश और शेक्सपियरियन सोनेट. Now the difference between Italian and English sonnet. Italian or Petrarchan sonnet was introduced by 14th century Italian poet Francisco Petrarch. That's why it is also called Petrarchan sonnet. English sonnets were introduced by Earl of Surrey and they were named after its greatest practitioner William Shakespeare. A Petrarchan sonnet is divided into two parts. On the other hand, a Shakespearean sonnet is divided into four parts. Petrarchan sonnet's two parts. First part is octave and second part is sestet. In the first part there are 8 lines and in the second part there are 6 lines, total 14 lines. In Shakespearean sonnet there are 3 quatrains, means there are 3 stanzas of 4 lines each, and lastly there is a couplet. The rhyme scheme of Petrarchan sonnet is ABBA, ABBA, CDE, CDE. The rhyme scheme of Shakespearean sonnet is ABAB, CDCD, EF, EF and GG. There is also another type of sonnet that is called Spenserian sonnet. Spenserian sonnet was introduced by famous Elizabethan writer Edmund Spenser. These sonnets can be regarded as a variant of Shakespearean sonnet as they have 3 quatrain and 1 couplet. In the Shakespearean sonnet we have read there are 3 quatrain and 1 couplet, and in the same way in Spenserian sonnet also there are 3 quatrain and 1 couplet, but there is a difference. This is the difference of rhyme scheme. Shakespearean sonnet contains rhyme scheme ABAB, CDCD, EF, EF, GG. Spenserian sonnet's rhyme scheme is ABAB and then B rhyme is again repeated in second quatrain, BCBC, CDCD, EE. We can understand the rhyme scheme of these sonnets by some examples. There is example of Spenserian sonnet. In this sonnet we can see the last word, there is rhyme strand. The word strand is rhyming with word hand. The word away is rhyming with the word pray. In the same way, pray is rhyming with essay. ABAB, BCBC, CDCD, EE. This is the rhyme scheme of Spenserian sonnet. Now there is Shakespearean sonnet. In this sonnet we can say the word day rhyme with may, the word temperate rhyme with date. In the 5th line there is a new rhyme, that is shines. So here the rhyme scheme of Shakespearean sonnet is ABAB, CDCD, EF, EF and GG. There is example of Petrarchan sonnet. This sonnet is written by John Milton on his blindness. It is also included in your syllabus. The rhyme scheme of this sonnet is ABBA, ABBA, CDE, CDE. What is the function of sonnet? The sonnet has become popular among different poets because it has a great adaptability to different purposes and requirements. Rhythms are strictly followed. It could be a perfect poetic style or elaboration or expression of a single feeling or thought with its short length in iambic pentameter. In fact, it gives an ideal setting for a poet to explore strong emotions. Due to its short length, it is easy to manage for both the writer and the reader. Thank you.